In this video, I'm gonna show you headstand drills for beginners. I'll have you learning how to do a headstand in 3 easy steps. I'm Joey, aka Mini Movement Man. Consider subscribing to my channel if you want to learn how to incorporate more movements or exercise into your life. Now let's get right to the drills. The first drill that we're gonna work on has us practicing our exit. So when you go into a headstand, you have 2 options. You can either come back towards your feet, towards the way you came up, or you can go up and continue to roll all the way over your head. So practicing these forward somersaults is a great way to help get comfortable with exiting or falling out of your headstand. If we can take the fear out of doing the headstand, we'll have a more successful time completing it. I would highly recommend practicing these drills or practicing your headstand on a mat or a carpeted area at first. Practicing this exit drill on a hard surface can be very painful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Back to the video. Our second drill is getting into our stacked position. You see, the headstand that I'm teaching is a tripod headstand, not a forearm headstand. You can see in this drill here how I set my body up by walking my feet close to my arms and placing my knees on my triceps. Get comfortable with coming in and out of this position before pressing all the way up into your headstand. A quick tip when performing any headstand or this drill is to make sure that you're placing your head further away from your hands and not in line with your hands. If your head is placed in between your hands, you're gonna have a smaller, more narrow base of support, as opposed to setting your head past your hands, resulting in a wider base of support and more stability. Our final drill has us working on our core strength as well as tempo of going up into your headstand. Most people, when trying to go into the headstand, will kick their feet up into the air really fast, and that in turn will end up throwing you off balance, causing you to fall out. You see, when we press up into our headstand, you want to go slow and controlled. That way you'll be able to feel the balance and you'll be able to feel the stability within this posture. If at any point you feel like your wrists are hurting, they're beginning to ache, make sure you take your hands and turn them outward. This will put a little less pressure onto your wrists. And at the same time, you gotta make sure you're doing your wrist conditioning. So click the video up above to check out what that's all about. Make sure you take the time to watch the videos that are on the screen right now to learn how to incorporate more movement or exercise into your life. As always, I'm Mini Movement Man saying be kind to one another and move well. Peace.